Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little different than what I usually do. Today I thought it'd be fun to unbox my new Prismacolor markers and swatch them for you and show you them. Real quick, if you guys could please like and subscribe to my channel, that would be great. So let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, there is 48 count markers, and it comes in this box. So let's go ahead and open it. And it comes with trays with all the different markers. And then it also comes with an extra metallic silver, so it's like a paint pen, and then there's a fine point one as well. And I will show you all the swatches of them. So let's take the trays out and then I will start swatching them. And they're also dual-ended, so one's thicker and one's thinner. So there's the thick side. And they're like really hard to open at first, but once you start opening them, then you can. There's the thin side. And I'll show you better once I start swatching them. So let's start that. Okay guys, I'm going to speed the video up for you. That way you don't have to sit here and watch me do these swatches slowly for you. So I'm going to go through and use all of the 48 markers so you can see the colors. Also, I didn't realize while I was recording that some of them you couldn't see, but after I swatch them all, you'll be able to see the full picture. That way you can see all of the colors. As you can see, it comes with a variety of colors. The purples, the blues, reds, pinks, greens, and the yellows. The metallic silver is so pretty. It shows up so shiny. It's definitely my favorite paint pen so far. The first one is the thin, and then the second one is the thick. And if I would have taken my time, the markers would have definitely looked more blended and pretty, but I just wanted to show you the colors and the variety. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.